Good morning, everyone. Chief Rice and Emmy Lou. We're at Long Cove Beautiful Marina. Briefly, Emmy Lou and I wants to share to you some of the important things that needs to happen with your pet. First of all, your pet should be on a leash at all times. One thing that we have noticed in the community recently, we have several pet owners not cleaning up behind their pet. It's very, very important to clean up behind your pet. Long Cove has placed 8 waste stations throughout the community, front and back of the community, so that will help you clean up after your pet. Emily and I would like for you to follow these instructions and make Long Cove a safe and clean place. Have a great day.